Hey, how you doing, family? This is me, Lamar. Hey, today is Thursday, March 5th. Today was a good day. Unfortunately, I had a doctor's appointment, so I forgot to record the live simulation trade this morning. But we did pretty good in the simulation trade. We made around about $530. And you can see that right here. I did trade live today, which was an awesome day. You can see that I made $2,490 off today's trade day. It was really awesome. So let me go back to the simulation there. Okay, so I know I'm not gonna do a live trade right now. I already did a simulation live trade. So what I'm gonna do is actually give you some really cool pointers and education, right? Remember how we were saying this? The market is in a downtrend, right? You can see that mostly we've been moving in this direction, right? And that's a thing that I like to teach a lot of my students, which is ABC, right? A, B. Not the best here. That's really bad. Let me see if I could. Yeah, there we go. And C, there we go. Okay, ABC, which A would be the initial move of the trend, then you got B as the correction, and the C, which is the continuation of a trend. Okay, a lot of people, when they say get into the markets, they always tell you about the news cycle, product releases, all the good stuff like that. The good thing about futures or forex, you really don't have to worry about that as much. However, if you're a pattern trader like I am, which I love patterns, right? Everything in life to me has a pattern, so it just makes sense, and I can put it in a mathematical equation and to make sense of it. Okay, so what I want to show you real quick is, you see this little purple line that's going through the chart, right? Think about that as my center point of how I get ready to make a decision in the trade. Okay, so let's look at this center point right here. It hit my center point, that trade right there, and it came down. So let's look at that as a leg, right? And then I'm waiting for it to actually come back up and touch that center line again. Once it touched that center line again, if we're in a persistent downtrend, then I'm going to actually take a trade to go down. That makes sense? And this would be my C leg. So that middle line would be my B leg, and this would be my C leg. And the C leg is the leg that you want to capture to where you could get the cash. Okay, and if you get multiple setups like that, you will be able to hit some of your goals. Now you'll see the dollar amounts that I'm making, and say that's great. You want to get in it, you're scared, all the good stuff like that. It doesn't matter. Listen, just like you do in anything in life, you gotta have a plan, you know. So I have a trading plan that I hit my goals to try to get that much money, right? Whereas your goal could be like $50, $35 a day, right? More than what your money is making in the savings account, right? So if you actually convert your savings, learn this technique, spend, as you can see, then if I can make you know, you see some of my videos, $600 in 3 minutes in the market, or 5 minutes in the market. Come on, how much time you really think you're gonna have to spend to make $50 if you understand these concepts of how to go in the market and actually make profit, right? Not much at all. But just remember, you know, if you actually take your money and put it into your brokerage account, and you actually learn this stuff, which is not hard to learn, and you can make what we call a hyper growth savings account, which, you know, your savings account make it probably 1.2 a year or something like that, where you could probably, off your savings, probably make 1% a day. So just food for thought. Today, I'm sorry I didn't record it. Just had a lot of appointments to get to this morning and forgot to hit that record button. But listen, check me out on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. And also, don't forget to go to the Facebook group, all right, where you can engage with me and ask a lot of questions, okay? But, hey, listen, guys, thank you for watching this video so much. And hopefully you share this with other people. And I'll see you at the bank. Bye-bye.